Do you remember when every day felt like an adventure? The excitement of new experiences, discovering new places. There is a way back to that. Break out of the old routine. Feel alive, the warmth of the sun, the wind in your hair. Bring the fun back.
We're a small team based out of Santa Cruz, California. Previously, we successfully launched an electric folding, cruiser, and city bike. And now we're launching our most exciting bike to date, an electric compact cargo bike. We call it the Packa.
With the Packa, you don't need a car. You can bring everything with you, all while enjoying the outdoors and building an active and healthy lifestyle. Running errands, heading out for the day, taking the kids for a play date. Easily carry the things you need, the ones you love. You can pack it all. Choose from over 200 ways to customize your ride using Packa's unique multi-modular racking system. With smart mounting points in both the front and rear, you can carry up to 200 pounds of cargo. With one of the lowest frames ever designed for a cargo bike, getting on and off the bike is a breeze, no matter what kind of rider you are. With its compact design, the Packa offers the perfect balance of convenience and rider friendliness. Perfect for storing and making turns easy. The dual battery system automatically uses both batteries to ensure you never have to stop when one battery runs out, giving you twice the range for long riding with heavy loading. It's powered by a 750-watt motor using direct drive technology for high durability. Now you have the freedom to go wherever, whenever. Cruise up to 20 miles per hour with 5 levels of pedal assist to choose from and a throttle to use on demand. Safety is a key component in the overall design. The Packa is not only incredibly easy to ride, it also features an automatic power cutoff when you brake, an integrated brake light, and a front light mounted to the fender, so it moves with you when you turn. Bring the fun back. Experience more with the Packa.
Our goal is to make the Packa available to as many people as possible. In order to do this, we need your support. So we ask you to back our campaign and tell all your friends and family about it. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about Blix and the Packa electric cargo bike. Happy riding!